Hello, Mihai. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. My messy room.
My messy room. Hi,
I'm
I'm Tom, and my room is always messy. There are clothes and toy everywhere. My favorite T-shirt is under my school bag, and my teddy bear is on my desk. There is a sock on my bed and another sock under my bed. There are many pencils on the floor next to my chair, and there is an English book between my bed and my desk. There is a plate with a piece of cake in front of the telly, and between the telly there are some toy cars.
behind the telly.
And some toy cars. Oh, my room is really messy, but it's such a lovely day. I'm to clean up my room, but I want to reading
I want to ride
my
my bike
in the park
too.
maybe
I'll
I'm clean it up tomorrow.
Thank you. Goodbye.